Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Lily who lived in a small village nestled in the hills. Lily had big dreams and aspirations, but she didn't know how to achieve them. She spent most of her days daydreaming and wishing for a better life, but never took any concrete steps to make it happen. One day, Lily was walking in the woods when she stumbled upon a wise old man. The old man saw that Lily was lost and confused, so he asked her what was troubling her. Lily poured her heart out to the old man, telling him about her dreams and how she felt stuck and powerless to achieve them. The old man listened patiently and then told her a story. He told her about a young prince who was born into a wealthy family but had a rare disease that made him blind. Despite his blindness, the young prince had a strong desire to see the world and explore all that it had to offer. So, he set out on a journey with his faithful companion, a dog. As they traveled, the young prince faced many challenges and obstacles, but he never gave up. He relied on his other senses, like hearing and touch, to navigate the world around him. He also learned to trust his intuition and instincts, which helped him make wise decisions. Eventually, the young prince and his dog arrived at a beautiful castle. The prince was amazed by the grandeur of the castle and the beauty of the gardens surrounding it. He longed to see what it looked like inside, so he asked his dog to guide him. The dog led the prince through the castle's many rooms and halls, describing everything he saw in great detail. The prince was filled with wonder and awe, and he realized that even though he couldn't see, he could still experience the world in his own way. Lily was inspired by the old man's story and felt a glimmer of hope. She realized that, like the young prince, she needed to trust herself and have faith in her abilities. She also needed to take action and start working towards her dreams, even if it meant facing challenges and setbacks along the way. So, Lily set out on her own journey, determined to make her dreams a reality. She encountered many obstacles and setbacks, but she never gave up. She learned to trust her instincts and intuition, just like the young prince had done, and this helped her make wise decisions. Years went by, and Lily became a successful businesswoman. She had achieved all of her dreams and more, and she knew that it was because she had taken that first step towards making them a reality. In the end, Lily realized that the greatest obstacle to achieving her dreams had been her own self-doubt and fear. She learned that by believing in herself and taking action, she could accomplish anything she set her mind to. And so can you.